Hello friends, today we will learn how to unprotect password protected sheet in the most easiest way. Yes, I am talking about the most easiest way. So let's start. So you can see I have made this sheet which is password protected. You can see from here review tab. This is we can see here this is unprotect sheet and asking for a password. So we can see that this sheet is password protected. You can check out in anywhere by double clicking here, and a message is popping up that sheet is password protected. Okay, now the first step, we have to save this sheet. So the first step is save as an Excel sheet. So I am making it name it. I am giving a name here, protected sheet. Okay, I am saving it in download folder. Save. Okay, now we have to close it, and we will go to our download folder now. So okay, click download here. As I have saved my file in download folder. Here it is the file protected sheet.xlsx extension. So we have to rename this extension xlsx, but sometimes we have to change some settings. I will show you how for renaming this. Sometimes this extension is not shown in some computers due to the change in settings. So I am telling you, click organize and then folders and search options. You can see here, click view tab. Now this is the hide extension in for known file types. This is, I have unchecked this option. Sometimes this option is checked in some computers. You have to uncheck it. Look here, if I check it and apply, look here, this extension is not seen here. So we need to see this extension. So I am again unchecking it and applying it. You can see, we can see extension here. Okay, now we will rename this file to zip, zip, and press enter. It will ask for are you want sure to change it? I say yes. Okay, now this zip file can be opened by any of the compression softwares like WinZip, WinRAR, 7-zip. So I will open it by 7-zip. Right click it, 7-zip, then open archive. You can see we find here 3 folders and 1 file. So I will go to Excel folder and double click it. Now there are many folders and files. I will go to worksheets and double click it. So you can find the sheets here. The number of sheets will be same as in Excel file. So we want to unprotect our sheet in here, sheet 1. So I will go here and then I right click it here and add it. You can see I have added. I will maximize this window. So this file open up in Notepad. So avoid opening this file in any other word processor, MS Word, etc. You can use Notepad. It is the best file for this. Now you have to find this sheet protection password. You can see here, this is a sheet protection password, and the password is given in these double quotes. So I will remove this value inside the double quote. Select it and delete it. Do not delete the double quote. Double quote will remain here. I think you got it. It's very clear here. The double quotes will remain here and the value inside it will be deleted. Nothing else should be changed. If any other thing is changed, then we might corrupt the file. It always best advise that you make a copy of the file before changing it. So I clicking file here and then save. So this is saved. You can close it here and then it will ask for file update, that this file has been modified and do you want to update it. Say yes. Okay, now you can close this 7-zip folder window. Okay, now you can see this file. I have to again rename it to back to the original extension, that is zip2 xlsx. So I am removing here the zip and adding xlsx, then press enter. It will say you want to change it, say yes. Okay, you see we have returned to our original file. Now you can double click it to open. So you see here this file has been opened up, and now we will check that this file is unprotected or not. Again you go to review tab. You see here this option is still here, unprotect sheet, but let's see, can we unprotect it? Click here. Yes, because there is no password, the password is blank, so it is unprotect sheet. So you can say that the file has been unprotected. We can select anything here, or any change, anything we can change here, right? Anything change, but this means we have successfully unprotected our password protected sheet. So bam bam bam, we have done it. One more thing I would like to suggest, take a backup of this before doing anything, because you must always have a separate copy of our original file. Okay, thanks.